This is David Joe's Gaming and Electronics with another highly requested video. Today I'll be comparing the Versa and the Versa 2. The first thing I want to bring to your attention is that the screens, they share the same function, but they're built completely different. So as you can see on the Versa, it's made out of OLED, the LCD that is, and the Versa 2 is made out of AMOLED. And what this means is that the Versa 2 has a higher resolution touch and it's made out of Gorilla Glass. So the idea behind it is that it always stays on display. That was one of the main features that they wanted to come out that the Versa 2 had. So we get a little deeper into the main boards. So this is the Versa board and this is the Versa 2 board. As you can see, they're pretty much the same exact size and they look very much alike, but the only thing that sets the Versa 2 apart from the Versa is that the connectors for each ribbon is in a completely different location. You wouldn't even be able to match them up. The reason for this is that the Versa has two models. So it's the FB504 and the 505. The difference between the two is that the 505 has an extra connector right here where you can see this is the 504 and it's missing. So what that extra connector does is that it allows Fitbit Pay to be a feature in the Fitbit. In regards to the Versa 2, this is both the 504 and the 505 in one unit and share all the functions that those two would have, but much more. The next thing, you get to the battery. The Versa battery comes in 145 and 150 milliamps, which means it lasts about 4 days, maybe a little longer in that day. And the Versa 2, it was built at 165 milliamps. So it's built and tested to last 5+ days. Then we get to the back housing. As you can see on the Versa, there's 3 total buttons. Your main button on the left and these 2 buttons on the right. Instead, the Versa 2 does have the main button on the left, which is just one, and on the right side there's a little hole here that substitutes the 2 buttons. The hole is there because the heart rate monitor sits like this, and on the right side of the heart rate ribbon is a microphone, and this is where Amazon Alexa built-in comes in. It is a microphone, that way it can hear whatever you're telling Alexa, but it doesn't have a speaker. So you can speak to Alexa, but she can't respond. It's just a display mode. Speaking of microphone, the Versa 2 does come with a Spotify app and you could download many other apps to play music, but I find it's pretty cool that you could play 300+ songs on your wrist. So you could tell the Fitbit what song to play, but it won't actually play the song. It's just gonna play it either in your smartphone or in your earbuds. Another pretty cool thing I found was that even though the Versa 2 back housing is thicker, as you can see, it's a little bigger in size, it is lighter. It's definitely a lot lighter. It's made out of aluminum and the Versa is not. Another very cool feature about the Versa 2, which none of the other Versas have, is that it has an automatic connection to GPS. So for you hikers out there that love hiking, love getting in the woods, you could see a map right on your wrist, and I find that awesome. If you guys have any questions regarding this comparison, please make sure to comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.